Hi, this is Luna and I got some happy mail today and I couldn't wait to get straight into this gorgeous frozen kit from Glam Planner. So I was lucky enough to get the foil to match the kit. So I put it all together and I love that she did all the foils in the right order of the kit, so that I didn't have to think about which foil was going to go where. I just went in order of the 4 boxes and just stuck them on, and it just looks so good. I didn't even realize that I had the double box. I forgot I ordered that and I found it later on and was so excited, and it just looks amazing. So Glam Planner has really cute kits. Her mini kits have so much, but I still always need to add on the extra little sheet for the half boxes and appointment labels and things. I'm still waiting on an order from Scribble Prints Co. and Coffee Monsters, and also Once More With Love. Maybe I'll do a haul later when all that stuff comes in. I'll try and resist from opening it. I know there's like heaps of shadows and stuff. I think I need to do my filming in daylight instead of in the middle of the night, unless if I invest in some filming lights. So we bought this game and it's called Would You Rather. So it's like 2,500 impossible would you rather dilemmas. Here's one. Would you rather have your knees eternally glued together or have to wear an itchy sweater every day forever? I don't know, because if I have my knees glued together, I can't walk. If I had to wear an itchy sweater, could I like take it off and put it around my waist, or wear something underneath the sweater? So I'll probably choose the sweater and wear something not itchy underneath it, so it doesn't actually affect me. Oh, got another one. Would you rather have to sleep upside down hanging from a tree branch, whatever the weather, or have to narrate everything you see aloud forever? Okay, so I would probably narrate everything I see aloud forever, because I feel like that would be so funny if you just see somebody doing something really ridiculous and you just say it out loud. That would be so funny but so embarrassing. So here's another one. Would you rather be invisible to everyone forever or get bitten by a dog every time you go outside? Oh my gosh. I don't know, maybe invisible. I don't know, would I still get paid if I went to work, or would I need a new job? I probably need a new job, because no one would see me at my other job. Yeah, okay, I'll be invisible to everyone forever, but that doesn't mean they can't hear me and that I can't do things like type and text and stuff. So yeah, that was an easy one. Would you rather have to walk backwards everywhere or have feet that smell like rotten fish? Oh man. Well, I'll probably choose have feet that smell like rotten fish. Because basically, maybe like I would become used to the smell and it doesn't bother me. And if it bothers anyone else, well, who cares? Next. Would you rather have to spell out words when you speak instead of being able to say complete words, or have a pigtail for a nose? Oh my god. I don't even know. This is so hard. Do I spell out words? Like, so right now if I had to speak, I would have to be spelling every lip. Okay, so what I'll do is I'd have a pigtail for a nose, but I would get surgery. Would you rather sleep in a cage of snakes every single night or live on a planet dominated by robots? Definitely the robots. Would you rather have arms and legs made of Play-Doh or have bowling balls for hands? I already feel like my arms and legs are made of Play-Doh. I'm always in pain, so I feel like it's already not normal. Okay. Would you rather have a swarm of moths for hair or have fingers and toes made of wood? Oh my god, I'm going to choose fingers and toes made of wood because, again, I already feel like I'm in pain all the time. So that just wouldn't be really anything much different from normal life. Would you rather have a face for a bottom or have to constantly stream the private thoughts of everyone within 1 mile directly into your mind? Have to constantly stream the private thoughts of everyone within 1 mile directly into your mind. Well, obviously I'm going to be a mind reader now. Okay. Would you rather have tennis balls for fingers or always smell like cheese? Or is it the yummy cheese? Like, sometimes you get the socks that smell like CC's, but like yucky CC's, not the good CC's. You know, when you go into a locker room or something and there's that disgusting smell. I don't know, do I want to be stinky? And why are all these things about fingers and toes and legs and stuff, body parts? Maybe I'll just choose always smell like cheese. Hope nobody thinks that's too gross. Alright. Would you rather have a body made of entirely of cutlery or have everything smell bad forever? Oh my gosh. You know what? These are so impossible. I can't even deal. Like, I wish there was just... Is there a game that's something where it's out there but it's not impossible? You know? Is there one of those kind of games? Because I feel like I need that. Anyway, thanks for watching my video.